Hello, this is Susan Poss. This is Angela's question about simplifying an answer. She was given this problem and asked to solve it using the quadratic formula. And that part of it was not her question, so I've gone ahead and just worked it out. So her question is, once we get down here to this answer at the end, how do you go about simplifying that? Well, first you would check on the 85 to see if there are any perfect squares that are factors of 85. So if I come over here and make a list of my perfect squares, none of those is a factor of 85. So I cannot simplify the square root of 85. Now I need to also remember that there is an understood 1 sitting right there in front of that square root of 85. So it's tempting when you see this 5 and this 10 to go ahead and cancel those out. So let me see if I can explain to you how you would want to handle that. One way to handle this is to separate the 1 times the square root of 85 and put it over 10, and the negative 5 and put it over 10. So you see that you could actually do some canceling here, but then the denominators would be different. One would have a denominator 2, and the other would have a denominator of 10, because you can't do anything to simplify that 1 over 10, and you can't do anything to simplify the square root of 85. So it's probably best just to, well, I better not erase that. You might want to look at that a little longer. I think it's probably best, if you need to write these separately, to write one of them with the positive on the radical and the other one with the negative on the radical. So I believe this is the best you can do in terms of simplifying those two answers. And again, it's because when you come over here and do the cancellation, you can work and get this down to 1/2, but this 1 over 10 cannot be simplified, and then you end up with two different denominators, so they can't be compressed back into a single fraction. So I hope that helps. If not, write to me again, Angela.